2008 Chevy Corvette. Really nice car. He's got a cam built. So it's got long tube headers there and there. We didn't do any of this system. I'll show you guys what we did in a second in the back. But this was already pre-installed on it. So I said I'm going to get you guys a video out of it because it sounds really nice. So long tube headers, stainless steel works. Then it goes into a CORSA extreme system, 2 high flow cats, X-pipe, all 3-inch, then it goes up over the rear end on each side, there and there. And then there's the CORSA Extremes, there and there, as you guys can see. And what happened is the clamps came off up there. So we just tightened them up for them and put some tacks on them and realigned the whole system for them. So it doesn't come off again. There it is, CORSA Extreme system. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it for you guys. So, and like always guys, please like, comment, subscribe, do everything you guys do for us. We really appreciate it. And if you're new to this channel, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Much better. And it's standard too, guys. Decibels. 120, guys. Wow. That sounds phenomenal. You can hear that cam. Woo! Go ahead and back it up. That's a beautiful car, man. Enjoy it. Can't beat the CORSA Extreme, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Let you guys hear on the inside. '2008 Chevy Corvette cam, CORSA Extreme system, just built. Really beautiful car. They're growing on me again. I hate to say it, but they are. We need us a shop boy. Hungry. That's what it sounds like. It's hungry. I want more and more.